In this video, we're going to be going over using the point of sale mode for registration. So the POS mode is actually really good for in-person registration when you have a group of people in front of you and want a streamlined process to be able to register them. To get there, the fastest way is just to click the switch to POS mode button, or you can click the POS tab, and they both do the same thing. I'm going to jump over there, and immediately you'll see the POS mode, which I'm going to click the full screen button here so that we have it 100% taking over our screen. It's really good for when you're using a smaller screen especially. And now we can see there's just basically two buttons. So we're just going to register a new team for this group that's in front of us. And they gave us the name of the boat. We're going to pull them up, and we're going to pull up any additional registrations that they've had from prior tournaments. We're going to register the 3 anglers that they said that are going to be on this boat. And you immediately see that we've got the boat here now registered with these 3 anglers on board. One of them's marked in red here, which means they're missing some additional information. So we're going to go ahead and click that individual, and we're going to add in the missing information, which in this case is just the birth date. So let's go ahead and add in a birth date for this individual. And the same group wants to go ahead and register a second boat at the same time. And in POS mode, you can definitely do that. So you click Register New Team here at the top. I will pull up the boat information for that group, and they wanted to register these 2 individuals that have been on previously in this tournament. So I'm going to go ahead and add them, and they also want to register another individual on the same boat. So I'm going to go ahead and just click Register Angler, and I'm going to put in that angler, and they're also missing their birth date here, so I'm going to save the changes. And now we have the entire, both 2 boats registered. And one thing that's unique to POS mode is actually you can receive a payment for both of these registrations at the same time. So I click Receive Payment. I can see all of their information, all the amount due for both. I'll click It's a cash payment, and I'm going to process that payment. And now we're done. So POS mode is actually really good for streamlined registrations and quick registrations. So you can always, if you're in the middle of a registration, you can always jump back to other tabs and then come back here and then click to restore your previous session if you ever need to. And that's it.